Did you know? Airlines, airports, and even hotels offer travel perks specifically for seniors that they don't always advertise. You might also be overpacking, overpaying, and overstressing without realizing it. If you're 60 or older, smart travel isn't just about convenience, it's about knowing the systems designed to help you that no one talks about. In this video, we'll reveal the 10 most powerful travel tips that senior globetrotters swear by. From secret services like TSA Cares to life-changing packing hacks, these insider strategies can make your next trip smoother, safer, and way more affordable. Stick around until the end, because tip number 9 could be the difference between a relaxing vacation and a travel disaster. Tip number 1. Planning your perfect escape. Let's start with the foundation of stress-free travel: smart planning. Most people think booking early is just about finding a good seat. But here's the real reason it matters. Booking early gives you leverage. Airline algorithms reward early decisions with better prices and route options. The earlier you book, the more power you have over your trip. And here's a surprising twist: layover flights can actually work in your favor, especially for long-haul journeys. They give you time to stretch, reset, and avoid that stiff, jet-lagged feeling that can ruin the first few days of your trip. Prefer a direct flight? Remember, morning flights have 15% fewer delays than later departures. That alone can set a calm tone for your entire journey. When booking hotels, experienced senior travelers look beyond online ratings. Before you book, call the property directly. Ask about elevator access, the distance between your room and the lobby, and whether there are bathroom grab bars. These details won't show up on booking sites but can make or break your experience. Tip number 2. The tech advantage, not just for the young. Think smartphones are just for millennials? Think again. Your phone can be your travel command center if you know how to use it. Start with your Airlines app. It's not just for checking in. These apps send push notifications about gate changes, delays, and cancellations often before the airport staff makes announcements. Some even let you track your bags in real time. Not tech savvy? Ask a family member to set up your apps before your trip, or visit your phone carrier store, where many offer free tutorials for customers. Tip number 3. The TSA Cares secret. TSA Cares is one of the best kept secrets in American air travel, and it's designed with you in mind. This free assistance program helps senior travelers and those with mobility or medical challenges get through airport security with ease. Here's how it works. Visit the TSA website or call their hotline at least 72 hours before your flight. Let them know your needs, whether it's a wheelchair escort, extra screening time, or help with mobility aids. On travel day, a TSA representative will meet you at the airport, guide you through security, and ensure you get to your gate with minimal stress. It's like having your own personal airport concierge for free. Shockingly, less than 5% of eligible travelers use this service. Tip number 4. Strategic seat selection. Your seat on the plane can make or break your flight experience, especially for seniors. For mobility concerns, go for an aisle seat in the front section. You'll get quicker access to bathrooms and be among the first to deplane. Need to rest? Choose a window seat to lean against the wall. If turbulence makes you uneasy, opt for seats over the wing, where motion is minimized. Here's a splurge that's usually worth it: premium economy. For as little as $30 extra, you can get several inches more legroom on a flight over 3 hours. That extra space can make a world of difference. Comfort isn't a luxury, it's a smart health decision. Tip number 5. Safety first. Protect yourself and your valuables. Theft, loss, and emergencies can happen anywhere, but a few smart moves can keep you protected. Start by creating digital backups of your most important documents. Take photos of your passport, ID, insurance card, and prescriptions. Store them in secure cloud storage and email them to yourself and a trusted family member. While out exploring, ditch the backpack and use a crossbody bag with RFID protection. Never carry all your cash and cards in one place. Spread them across your hotel safe, day bag, and a hidden money pouch. And after dark, use hotel transportation or rideshare apps rather than public transport. A few extra dollars spent can mean a much safer night. Tip number 6. Airport and flight comfort hacks. Travel days don't have to be exhausting. Here's the golden rule. Whatever time you think you need to get to the airport, add 45 extra minutes. This gives you breathing room and helps avoid that panicked, rushed feeling. Once on board, cabin temperatures can swing wildly, so dress in layers. Opt for moisture-wicking base layers, a light sweater, and a scarf or shawl that can double as a blanket. On long flights, wear compression socks to improve blood flow, reduce swelling, and lower your risk of deep vein thrombosis, especially important for older travelers. Tip number 7. Packing smarter, not harder. Here's the secret to packing light without sacrificing options. Choose a 3-4 color palette and only bring items that mix and match. This gives you tons of outfit combinations without overstuffing your suitcase. Stick to the 3 rule: 3 tops, 3 bottoms, 3 layers, and no more than 3 pairs of shoes. For meds, pack double what you need in your carry-on, use a daily pill organizer, and snap a picture of your prescription labels. Don't forget to bring a small extension cord with USB ports. It's a lifesaver when hotel rooms only have one outlet. Tip number 8. Staying healthy and energized. Flying at 35,000 feet takes a toll on your body. Airplane cabins have 15% less oxygen and only 10–20% humidity, which is why you feel so dry and drained after a flight. Hydrate early and often drink 8 ounces of water for every hour in the air. Want to beat jet lag? Start shifting your sleep schedule 1 hour per day toward your destination's time zone, starting 3 days before your trip. Once you arrive, sync up with local mealtimes and get morning sunlight. These 2 habits will reset your internal clock faster than anything else. Tip number 9. Budget-friendly travel secrets. The best travel deals aren't online, they're in your inbox. Sign up for fare alerts from sites like Scott's Cheap Flights or Going.com. These services track sudden airline price drops and flash deals. Look for senior-specific travel programs through AARP or AAA, which often include hotel discounts, tour perks, and travel insurance at lower rates. Traveling midweek, Tuesdays and Wednesdays, can save you up to 30% on flights. And here's a counterintuitive hack: booking directly with airlines or hotels often gets you better perks than third-party sites. Think free upgrades, late checkout, or bonus points. Final thoughts. If even one of these tips gave you a new insight, do us a favor, like this video, subscribe to Passport Pro, and share it with a fellow traveler. We've got more insider travel secrets coming next week, including the truth about airport security screening that most people never hear. Until then, keep your passport ready and your mind open, because every journey begins with knowledge. What's your biggest travel concern as a senior traveler? Drop a comment below. I personally read every comment and use them to plan future videos. This is Passport Expert, helping you travel smarter, not harder.